So in this video, we're going to show you basically two battery chargers that are basically the same. This was a Black & Decker, and this is a Vector. What happened here was somebody ran over the cord and messed up the clamp pieces on it, and they were kind of cheap anyway. This was a Black & Decker internals and external, and this is basically Vector. It's almost the same thing. This is a little bit more power. It has a 50 amp start feature and a 15 amp battery charger maintainer. And if we look here, this was basically your 15 and 40. Now, basically, this one has a lot better battery clamp pieces on it, and this one was basically junk. This one has a better fan setup, and it keeps it cool. This one would always run just a little bit hot. So this one, when it was new, it was basically like $160 basically, and this one brand new is $68 right now. It's saying it's on sale. So let's take a look at what's going on inside this box, and I'll show you what's going on. Try to get this open here. Hold on 1 second. All right. Comes in the box, like always. The idiot sheet. We don't need that. Hold on 1 second. So we're going to take this out of the plastic. Trying to do this with one hand is always crazy, like everybody knows. So let's compare what we got going on here. It's pretty much the same. All right. And internally, it's all the same parts. Got your chip on the back that controls everything, LCD, power supply, in charging section, the cooling fan. And this one is, like I said, a lot better. If you look at these battery clamps on there, they're pretty hardcore, actually. You know, it's really, compared to the other ones that were on the Black & Decker unit. The Black & Decker unit was just total trash. You can push in your cord in the back here. It's a very easy to operate, very simple. You just plug it in, put it on the terminals. You press start here. All right, you got an engine start. You got the check alternator, battery voltage, and battery recondition. So I like to do the put my batteries on there, charge them, press this, charge them, let them go overnight until they get down to 1 or less percent, and then I'll put it on battery recondition until I got to use it. So what it's doing is basically putting a pulse across the plates, okay, internal in the battery. And what's that doing? Well, it's doing a couple things. One, it's actually going to remove the buildup of corrosion and whatever else is in between the plates, because they're really close, like corrosion and such. So that little bit of voltage that's like pulsating in there will allow that stuff to drop down to the bottom so it doesn't burn out the cells in there. And what people don't know is when you put a battery on concrete, it's not draining, okay? It doesn't drain because it's sitting on concrete. What it does is people put the battery down, and they put it down, and it does a little shock like that on the concrete, and that allows the stuff that's on the plates that were sprayed on there to actually fall off a little bit and crumple up, and then that'll short the plate out, and that's why you get a lower voltage or a bad battery. That's all batteries, okay? Any acid battery, lead battery, that type of thing, you can't do that to those batteries. You have to put them down very gently, or else you'll destroy the battery. I mean, if you want to spend $200 a pop every 6 months, that's up to you. But I got batteries that have lasted me 2 years and they're still running. I can do 3 roofs with the one battery Marine. So anyway, this one here is a really, really good deal, and the batteries will last you a long time. You can charge fast. What it does is, in the beginning, it'll charge up to like 15 amps, and then over time it'll slow down and slow down, and the amps will come down and come down and come down. So basically, it's not going to burn your battery out. It's only going to put into the battery what the battery can have stored in it, and basically, this also allows the battery to last longer. So when you got a 3 amp maintain, I mean, there's all kinds of good stuff built into this. It's automatic. You don't got to do anything. Just hook it up and run. So anyway, I hope that helped you guys out. The Vector is, for the price, is a lot better than this. This is the Black & Decker. Obviously, you can see there. And it's basically the same thing, just a little bit different. The Black & Decker LCD is orange, and the Vector is a blue, as you can see here. So it's well worth the money, and hope this video helps you guys out. Have a good one. Talk to you later.